Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where I usually cook, and this is my Faber kitchen hob that has served me well for the past 3 years. Now, tonight I'm going to show you how to disassemble the hob inside out so as to allow us to clean and to do some inspection, and as well as how to tune the flame. Now, to do this project, you only need a screwdriver or a drill driver and my very personal USB light source. Come, let me show you how it is done. Now, first of all, take out the loose item, the base holder and the flame cover. The loose item, and the knob, you just need to gently pull it out. There you go. Now guys, to remove these 3 stubborn screws, you can use a screwdriver. It's not difficult. Or if you have a power tools, you can use a drill driver. There you go. Now with the anchor screw that's been removed both sides, let me show you again. It can be taken out. So as this side, the rubber. Now the glass piece can be taken out now. Yeah, fully reveal the internal part of the stove. Guys, I've assembled back the kitchen hob. Now the final part is to tune the air valve to control the flame pattern. Now as you can see, there are 2 on each side. Yeah. So on the left is to control the outer ring, and on the right is to control the inner ring. Now let's see what happens when we switch on. Yeah? Now, nice blue flame. Now, if you adjust the valve, yeah, to reduce the airflow, you see the color turn yellow. If you increase the airflow, the flame will become very unstable, blue unstable. You can hear it. Now adjust it back to the middle or slightly more. This is the optimal flame that you should get. Yeah. Now tuning the lower flame, the inner ring flame, same thing. If you reduce the flow of the air, you will see the flame become yellow. Now to increase the airflow, you will see the flame become unstable. Now try to adjust it at a range that to give you the optimal shape, a blue flame that is stable. Now last but not least, please make sure the connection is properly secure and tightened. You can put some soap water with bubble to check for leaking. Yep.